bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. Hey guys, BikeBlogger here. Lots of traffic on the roads tonight. It is Friday night. On my way home from work. Neat Christmas lights. So, bike checks. It's a good thing to do a safety check on your bicycle before you start riding. Make a right. Let's make a left. Okay. Yeah, bicycle checks. What I tend to do, it's a little cold out here. Sorry if my speech gets a little slurred. Is bounce my bike, squeeze the brake levers. I try to remember to check the tires for air. And that's about it, I guess. You should also check your crank, your chain, and your cassette, if you got one of those. You know, sort of just your drivetrain, basically. You should check all that good stuff. Make a right here and go down this really crummy street. Oh, they have neat Christmas lights. Oh. Christmas lights there. Boy, it's hard to bike with one hand, turn my torso, and ride on a bumpy road at the same time while trying to get a good camera shot. Gotta be careful. After a long day of work, all this rumbling and bumping, it's feels great on the head, not headache. Okay, so we're probably not gonna make this light. Hasn't gone green yet, but I feel like it's gonna go green before I even get up near it. Before I get close enough. And there it goes, went green. I'm not up here yet. Oh, thump. .23 miles per hour. Okay, we'll cut through here as we usually do. I always worry like someday if some of this stuff's gonna be blocked off, because they definitely did that with one driveway. Wow, look, no cars in this whole parking lot here, this little parking lot. There's usually always a car here. That just tells me that it's pretty late right now. Well, that was awesome. I just saved myself from falling. I was leaning too far to the left, and I started tipping over, so I stuck my right leg underneath the bike to sort of counterbalance or push myself back, and I didn't fall because I'm still clipped into my left pedal. Scooch over, and scooch over one more time. Okay. I was looking at that. There was like a telephone pole back there and had a blinking, strobing light on it. I don't know what that was about. Whew. We'll go we'll go the old-fashioned way again. Make a right here. Gonna have to hop a curb though. This stupid thing is blocked off now. I liked going this way when I started bike commuting, but then they blocked it off like this. Oh, there we go. I'm pretty horrible at jumping curbs. Bunny hopping in general. Can't do it. Maybe when I start mountain biking on a mountain bike, I can start building up those skills. Whew. Anyway, this video hasn't really had any topic except for, I guess, bike check. So let's keep talking about that. Usually it's called ABC Quick. The A stands for air. Make sure there's air in your tires. B stands for brakes. Make sure your brakes are working. C stands for crank, chain, cassette, all your drivetrain stuff. I guess D could be drivetrain. So for me, B usually isn't a problem. If it's rainy, my brakes might be wet, but that doesn't affect their stopping power with this disc brake bike. A, sometimes I need to check that more often, the air in my tires, because you could get a flat, and when you come back from wherever it is you're at, and you come to unlock your bike, you may not realize your tire's flat. We're getting there. C, I've had issues with that. Chain. And for my situation, being a single-speed biker, chain's pretty important. I don't want it too slack, otherwise it can fall off. Quick. Quick stands for quick release. Make sure all of your quick releases aren't shut or aren't open. And that's like the skateboarders. Kids skateboarding in the dark without a flashlight. which can work, I guess, if your eyes adjust and you don't have some bicyclist bright flashlight blinding you. Sorry, kids. Still shouldn't skateboard at night like that. Bicycling at night's risky enough, even with a bunch of lights. Although generally not that much worse than during the day. Just need a good light. But yeah, quick is like, make sure your quick releases are closed and not open, like for your brake levers and your wheels. If you have a quick release axle, make sure it is not open, because that can happen, or it can become loose if you hit something really hard while you're riding. So that covers ABC Quick. I don't have any quick releases, so on this bike I got a quick release on my brakes on my road bike, because I got regular rim brake caliper brake levers, brake calipers. I'm gonna go ahead and go here. Make a left up here. Whew. All right, here we are, back on the home turf. UPS truck. Usually I don't see them out this late. So I think the latest delivery they do is 8 p.m., although I could be wrong. It's not quite 8 yet, though. It's only after 7. Nobody around. Nice and quiet right now. Just the way I like it. So, thanks for coming along for the ride tonight. It's Friday. We'll see you guys next week, probably, maybe before, I don't know. See if I get out on the weekend. Okay. Christmas time. Christmas time. Next week is Christmas. Less than a week away. See you guys.